scholarship competition. So let's take a look at who received the surprise 5th scholarship.
There's an extra chef's coat here. I think we should go make one more future chef's culinary dreams come true. What do you say, guys? All right, one more.
Who is it?
Hi, guys. Hi, guys. So we just wanted to stop in and, thank you all for participating in this competition. We want to encourage you to continue pursuing your culinary dreams. We really wish that all of you could get scholarships, but unfortunately that's just not in the cards.
But we have a huge announcement to make. As it turns out, another person is getting a $40,000 scholarship. This person was the highest scoring runner-up in the Stir Fry Challenge. Are you ready to find out who it is?
You guys want to know who it is? All right. The winner is Darien.
When they came back and told me the news, my heart dropped.
Congratulations!
I'm speechless. I'm just so happy right now. It feels so surreal. I have to catch myself.
You want to go join the rest of the chefs, the rest of your friends? Job well done. Thank you.
This is definitely a life changer. Definitely.
Congratulations to the winners of the 2018 Culinary Voice Scholarship Competition! We know you're going to make the best of this amazing opportunity.
And thank you to the mentors who expertly coached all of our finalists for the competition.
To the wonderful instructors and judges here at the Institute of Culinary Education, all of us appreciate what you're doing for the next generation of chefs.
Congratulations.